today's video I'm going to show you how to make a backup of your iPhone directly to your MacBook. Let's dive right in. First, connect your iPhone to your MacBook using your charging cable. Once connected, your iPhone should start charging, and you might get a prompt asking if you want to install an update. You can skip the update for now if you'd like. Next, open up Finder in your MacBook. If you're using a newer MacBook, you won't need iTunes. However, if you're on a PC, you might need to download iTunes, which is free. In Finder, look for Locations on the sidebar, and you should see your iPhone listed here. Click on it. This will open up the iPhone management window. To back up your iPhone, simply click on Backup Now. Before you start the backup, you can choose to encrypt the backup by checking the Encrypt Local Backup box. This will protect your passwords and sensitive data with a password of your choice. If you decide to encrypt, enter a password to secure your backup. If not, just click Backup Now without checking the encryption option. You'll need to trust the computer by entering your iPhone's passcode. The backup process will start, and depending on how much data you have, it could take a few minutes to around 15 minutes. Just be patient and let the progress bar do its thing. Once it's done, you'll see a message indicating the backup is complete. If you need to restore data, you can go to the same Finder window and click Restore iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.